Here are 25 sentences about the culinary history of Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania's rich culinary history dates back to its early colonial days when European settlers brought with them their own cooking traditions. Dutch and German immigrants introduced Pennsylvania's cuisine with hearty dishes like sauerkraut, schnitzel, and kielbasa. The influence of these cultures can still be seen in modern-day Pennsylvania favorites like pierogies, scrapple, and shoofly pie. Quakers played a significant role in shaping the state's food scene by promoting plain living and simple cooking methods. This approach led to the development of traditional dishes like whoopie pies, made with locally sourced ingredients. The Amish community has preserved many ancient Pennsylvania traditions through their iconic baked goods, such as shoofly pie and apple dumplings. Early American cookbooks reveal a focus on meat-based meals, often served with fresh fruits and vegetables from local gardens. One of the most famous Pennsylvania dishes is Philly cheesesteak, born in the city's 1930s street food scene. As European immigrants came to Pennsylvania, their culinary traditions merged with those of other cultures. The state's fertile soil made it an ideal place for growing crops like corn, wheat, and oats, which were often used in local recipes. Native American tribes contributed ingredients like wild rice, berries, and sunflower seeds to the state's early cuisine. As the Industrial Revolution transformed Pennsylvania, food production shifted towards mass-produced goods like canned vegetables and processed meats. The development of the railroad allowed for easier transportation of fresh produce from out-of-state markets, changing local food systems. Pennsylvania's agricultural abundance led to an emphasis on farm-to-table eating in rural areas. Cities like Philadelphia and Pittsburgh grew famous for their distinct culinary scenes. In the 19th century, tinned goods became popular across the state as a convenient way to preserve food. Food preservation was essential during World War II, when many local markets ran out of fresh produce due to wartime shortages. Post-war immigration introduced new international flavors to Pennsylvania's cuisine, including Korean barbecue and Puerto Rican empanadas. Modern Pennsylvania cuisine incorporates these diverse influences while maintaining traditional favorites like kielbasa and shoofly pie. The region's rich cultural heritage is reflected in its unique food festivals and events, such as the annual Pittsburgh Food Truck Festival. Local butchers and breweries have become essential components of modern-day culinary life in Pennsylvania, with many earning national recognition for their quality products. Today, chefs throughout the state continue to innovate while honoring traditional recipes passed down through generations of cooks.